Pantone. Now, what exactly is Pantone? The definition for PMS, Pantone Matching System, is that it's a standardized color matching system that designers and printers use to ensure color consistency. So the colors that you see on your screen, when they are printed out, either at home or with a professional printer, the colors sometimes do not uh, translate equally. So to ensure that there is color consistency between professionals and designing houses, um, Pantone in 1963 came up with this system so that when you see honey gold, the number 151142 in Singapore, let's say, and you tell a client that I'm going to use a honey gold color, the Pantone number is this in Singapore, and then the client in Texas, for instance, will understand exactly what you're talking about. You refer to the Pantone number. So who came up with this? In 1963, Pantone, the company, developed the first color matching system. And thanks to this system, graphic designers all over the world can see exactly what yellow looked like on paper and provide the printer with a Pantone number to make sure that they got what they wanted. Now, what can it do for you? We can enter the world of Pantone to spark our creativity. This is the Pantone Pinterest page. The trending color right now is very berry. You can go into the Pantone world to see all different kinds of orange. One thing that I saw earlier on was Pantone, let's say, if I want to do Pantone 70s, sorry, pages, let's say if I want to do Pantone 70s color, this is what get pulled up. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is Pantone colors that could help with whatever I'm trying to design. I used it for my digital designs, downloads, to basically to give the very simple two words, forever love, a little bit of pop, energy, joy that expresses me. And this is what I came up with. I hope you like them and have already checked them up. If not, on my Etsy store or my web store, use them to frame whatever sizes. If there is a ratio that you like besides the 2:3 ratio, just email me and I can get you a file that's according to the ratio or the frame size that you like. So what is the main takeaway here? The main takeaway that I want for you to have as a creative or someone looking for inspiration is Google the word Pantone and learn what that world is. So that on your next artist date, where you spend some time to recreate and recharge and renew yourself, whether it's going to a retail store like Target to pick up shampoo or go to a museum to have a private time, just notice the different color palettes that's around you. Or even when you're on a walk and you can notice a number of different type of green. Let's see, why would you type in Pantone green? Oh, look at all the yummy greens. That's just beautiful that you can learn. Now, what are all these numbers? It's a little bit technical, but it's something that all of us can learn because we can all learn this. If I can learn this, so can you. Summer green 140156. If I tell someone in Singapore that I would like the Pantone summer green and the number is 140156, I know that person is going to print that color for me. Even though I'm sitting right here in Texas, they know exactly what color green I'm talking to. So it's just a language, kind of like English, isn't it? English is the language that we use, that I use to communicate content and knowledge on this channel. So Pantone, PMS, Pantone matching system, those numbers allow designers and creatives to talk to one another on the same page. What else do I want to share with you? Yes, look what happened. I'm thinking about possibly a book cover. Pantone colors just inspire so many things. And I hope it inspires you to see your world in a new way. Thanks for staying till this long. I hope you enjoy this little creative inspiration and tidbit, and that you are on your way to discovering the world of Pantone. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and checking out all the products I have available at my stores. Until next time, bye-bye.